If I'm a day trader, my trade might last 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or an hour. I can deal with the stress of watching the market for an hour and keep my head about me. If I'm in a freaking 60-day trade, I can't go in day after day after day looking at the marketplace, watching this stuff. It's going to drive anybody crazy. You cannot do that. You cannot do that. You have to put a firewall up against you in the market. Whatever you have to do that. So, and one of the things we do is we reward ourselves. If you're sitting there watching the market getting stressed out day after day, you're literally training yourself to be stressed out. You're training yourself to be anxious. You're creating a trigger that just sitting in front of the computer is going to make you anxious. That is a very, very bad thing, right? So another thing you need to do is when you're in front of your computer, right, you don't want your computer to be a trigger for anxiety and stress. You want it to be a trigger for flow state. So you want to do things on the computer that trigger flow state as well. So you want to make sure you do that. You got to offset that a little bit.